short, runway 7.
280 thanks tower, hold short, runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 280.
For heavy wind estimated 060 degrees, 19 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
7 o'clock, 85 heavy.
Radar 1160, airborne 14, contact radar 120, decimal 8, clear.
United 1160. Good afternoon, JetBlue 1193, RMP 07, just outside Bolt.
1193, thanks, tower, container approach, runway 07.
JetBlue 1193.
JetBlue 280, land and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, JetBlue 280.
Unit 854, heavy, arrived 17, vacate taxi, Alpha, contact run 12, decimal 7.
So 1217, contact plus Bolt.
Continue approach, expectedly landing range.
Blue 1193.
Wind estimated 060 degrees, 12 knots, clear to immediate takeoff, runway 07, traffic 3 mile final.
For immediate takeoff, runway 7, JetBlue 280.
JetBlue 1193, wind estimated 060 degrees, 13 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Clear to land 07 for JetBlue 1193.
Contact radar 120, decimal 8, good day.
JetBlue 280, good day. Runway 07 on yacht.
1193, LR20, vacate taxi, Alpha, contact run 121, decimal 7.
Yeah, good day, JetBlue 1193.
427, thanks, tower, continue approach, runway 07. 2427, Cessna 206, traffic flying for left base, runway 07, will be north and clear, wind estimated 060 degrees, 15
that landing clearance was not for us.
The one at negative, continue approach 107 Cessna, 306 traffic, no touchdown.
Copy.
Alpha 27, vacate taxi with Delta, contact run 121.7.
Ground 121, 767 Alpha.
521, wind estimated 060 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Clear to land on 07, 521.
Vacate taxi with Bravo, contact run 121.7.
Holding short 07 at Troy, ready for back taxi.
American 975, San Tower, confirm ready.
Ready, American 975.
75, enter runway 07, via taxi with Charlie, backtrack, into position runway 07. When in position, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Alright, clear to back taxi 07, clear for takeoff 07, American 975. Tower Southwest 1043, holding point runway 07 Alpha, ready for departure.
043, San Tower, hold short, runway 07.
Short 07, Southwest 1043.
This 1043, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, Southwest 1043. 2975, good night.
Wind estimated 050 degrees, 14 knots, clear takeoff, runway 07.
For takeoff, runway 07, Southwest 1043.
Continue approach, runway 07.
Continue approach, runway 07, 480. 1800, holding short, runway 07, ready for departure.
Delta 1800, thanks, tower. Hold short, runway 07.
Short 07, Delta 1800.
043, airborne 39, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Light Southwest 1043.
Delta 100, land upon wait, runway 07, expect immediate attack.
Up and wait, runway 07, Delta 1800.
And Delta 100, wind estimated 050 degrees, 14 knots, clear takeoff, runway 07, no delay.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, Delta 1800.
Wind estimated 050 degrees, 17 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
Got to land, runway 07, copy your wind, please.
050 degrees, 17 knots.
Land, runway 07, regarding for 82.
0, airborne 41, contact radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, Delta 1800. Next right, 1217, thank you so long for 482.